Hello everyone, welcome back. When we call Hey Siri, the screen wake up and says Siri not available. Connect to Wi-Fi to download data for using Siri without an internet connection. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on Siri and search. Now we turn off listen for Hey Siri. Wait for a few seconds, then turn on back and set up Hey Siri again. If this is not working, then we do the second solution. Same Siri and search, tap on language and change your language to English, United Kingdom to United States. If you select United States, then select United Kingdom. Thing that we have to do, we have to go back to settings, tap on journal. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all setting. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That we have to do, go back to general, tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Finally, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.